Most side hustles talk about freelancing or selling products, but here's something brand new. In 2025, earning money by hosting smart sensors in your neighborhood. Yes, you can get paid just for collecting local data like air quality or traffic patterns. Step 1. Sign up with sensor networks. US startups provide plug-and-play devices that connect to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Install at home or in your street. The sensor quietly collects data like pollution levels or noise trends. Step 3. Earn monthly payouts. Companies pay for access to hyperlocal data, often $20 to $200 per month, depending on demand. Step 4. Scale. Add multiple sensors or join multiple networks. Some users are stacking $500 plus per month just by hosting devices. This is future-proof because smart cities and AI apps need constant fresh data, and individuals are the cheapest, most reliable source. So if you are in the US and want a side hustle that's truly new, explore neighborhood data monetization. It's passive, scalable, and positions you at the cutting edge of online earning in 2025. Subscribe for more finance hacks, and let's grow your digital wealth together.